Alright, what's going on YouTube? It's Alex from Techrific back again with another video. We have a new different little setup. I'm trying things out, seeing what works the best. And today we have a special video. So if you follow me on Instagram at Techrific you might have noticed that I bought all of Apple's brand new FineWoven cases. So I have them all lined up right in front of me right over here, all 5. And I'm gonna get straight into the video and do a quick little unboxing and first impressions for you guys. So without any further ado, let's roll the intro and get right into this video. So I recently got the iPhone 15 Pro, as you can see right over here, and so far I have been loving it. There's a few things here and there that I like and I dislike, and I'm gonna cover that in my future review. But without any further ado, I want to pick up all 5 of the brand new FineWoven cases. I've seen lots of hype about it on Twitter, lots of people say they don't like it. So I just wanted to see from my own perspective and share it with you guys what my thoughts are, what my impressions are, my little review, how I like them, and which one looks best on the blue titanium iPhone 15 Pro. So I think it is only fair to start with the one in the middle. So let's set these cases aside and open this one up. So this is the iPhone 15 Pro FineWoven case, and they call it the Taupe color. So it is $79. Let's see if it was worth it. Alright, let's see here. How can I get it out? There you go. Perfect. So, this is the color, guys. iPhone 15 Pro FineWoven case in the taupe color. Okay, very interesting. So let's take it right out. It feels straight out of the box like fabric. It feels like very soft fabric. That's how I would describe it. Very soft fabric with a nice little touch. Does it have grip? Let's see. We're gonna put on the iPhone 15 Pro. Okay, very snug fit. We do get that MagSafe animation right over there. Okay. Interesting. So the phone does for sure feel a lot more premium in the hands, and it just feels like fabric. That's how it feels like. So just durability wise, right over here, let's say I run my nail. See that line? Yeah. So durability wise, and you can still see it if I do try to scratch it off. Durability wise, I don't think they would be good. This is more for like style. But yeah, let me just wipe off the cameras right over there. That is the FineWoven case. It's a very interesting feel. I don't really know how to describe it. It feels like some fabric, like very slim fabric, very soft. Grip for sure. It feels good in the hands. It feels good. Durability, I'm not quite sure though. If you guys follow Aaron on Zolotech, you might have noticed that he did a durability test. He teared down one of the FineWoven cases, and it's really just glued together with this fabric. I do like the fact though that there's no like MagSafe ring, so it is MagSafe compatible, but you don't see it really. Now, what do you guys think? Does it match with the blue titanium? Not at all. Not in my opinion. Anyways, that is the taupe color, however you'd like to call it. We're gonna pop that right out. Okay, it is very snug as you can tell. Very snug, my goodness. I am having trouble. I just took a picture. I just took a screenshot. Interesting. Alright. Now, I would also like to mention how it is like a two-tone color. So we have like the main color all around. Same thing in the back. We do have the MagSafe ring all around it, as you guys can see. And then on the rims of it, we have that nice little brown, kind of like darker tone of the back. The buttons are kind of like not exactly metallic, more like plastic. They are very tactile though. You have that new action button right over here. So that is the iPhone 15 Pro FineWoven case in taupe, or however you'd like to call it. So we're just gonna put that right back, slide it back into the box. Perfect. 1 down, 4 more to go. Which color should we go with? Should we just go with the classic, the black? I think that's a good take. So let's go ahead and unbox the black one. I don't want to ruin the boxes, but let's see here. Ooh, Apple makes them really snug. I do wish they would change this. Alright, black. There it is. Same thing. Now the Apple logo is a lot harder to see. Now durability wise, I feel like scratches and scuffs would look less evident since it is, you know, a darker color. So we're gonna pop the midnight blue. MagSafe animation, we love to see it. Again, very tactile buttons, very responsive. I do feel like you would have a little problem over time, just durability once again, because they seem very tactile to the point that they could easily fall out. Now I do really like this like two-tone on the black case. It's kind of like midnight gray, blue navy, like a really dark blue navy on the back, and then right over here it like really fades into black. I do not mind this combination. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. I feel like it looks really nice. I would 100% rock it. Again, light in the hands. Camera protection, obviously not ideal, but it still does the job. Screen protection, again, not ideal. You'd have to be rocking a screen protector with it. But yeah, I love the black color. I give that 10 out of 10. Alright, so we're gonna pop that out. I am gaining a little bit more experience. As you guys can tell, I popped that out pretty easily compared to the first case we did. And we're just gonna position that right back in. And there you go. 2 down, 3 more to go. So let's go with Evergreen, I believe it is called. This is the Evergreen color, as you guys can see. Let's see what's inside of the box. Apple, if you're watching, please change your unboxing experiences for these cases. I've been struggling for 2 years now. Whenever I want to like take it out, I feel like I'm gonna break the box. Okay, perfect. That is the Evergreen for you guys. Very dark, matter of fact. It looks like all of Apple's colors, like even on the iPhones that came out, it looks like they're all a lot darker than what they display them as. So let's see over here. Evergreen. Reminds me of like a very depressing military movie. It reminds me of those type of colors. Again, fabric, darker on the side, darker on the buttons, looking nice. Does it look nice on the blue titanium iPhone? MagSafe animation. Let's see here. That is an interesting combination. I feel like if you had the natural titanium iPhone 15 Pro, it would fit really good. But if you just have the blue titanium, this is not a combination to go for at all. It looks just weird. That's the right way to put it. It just looks weird. It just looks way too dark with 2 different tones that are just, I don't know. I don't like it. I do not like it. I do not like this Evergreen color. Maybe if you had like white or black or natural titanium, because gold or like that silverish look to it, bronze, and green does go good, but blue titanium, this is a no-go for me. What do you guys think? Evergreen with blue titanium iPhone 15? I don't think so. Alright, let's put this one right out. They have made them very snug this year. Alright, so that is Evergreen for you guys. Just gonna put that right back into the box. Beautiful. So we are down 3 and we have 2 more to go. Let's see here. Let's save the best for the last. This is the Mulberry color. So let's see here. Where does Apple get its names for its cases? They're always so unique. Okay. This, guys, straight out of the box, I can guarantee you it'll look really, really good with the white titanium iPhone 15s. This darker side of the Mulberry case, though, I'm not quite sure how I like it. Anyways, straight onto the blue titanium. MagSafe animation? No MagSafe animation. Alright. Let's see here. Again, fabric. Now, grip-wise, you can see that it just like slides a lot in my hands. But if you're just holding it, especially on the sides, like, it sticks. But if you're just like open-handed, it doesn't stick like silicone at all. Blue titanium and Mulberry. Nope, not my pick. I don't like it. Doesn't look good. Again, darker buttons on the sides. The ports looking all clean. Very nice. Very nice texture. I don't mind the texture. The texture doesn't feel bad. For me personally, I don't mind the texture. I know lots of people were complaining about the texture on Twitter, on YouTube, but for me personally, the texture is not the end of the world. Durability, I feel like it would be the end of the world. Action button, everything just feels really tactile. Now, I do really like how the front frame of this FineWoven case is, it just seems a little more durable than the silicone. The silicone dented and chipped really easily around this front frame, but I feel like on the FineWoven cases, they're a little bit more sturdy. Anyways, that was the Mulberry color. How much do they flex? Okay, they don't flex, inwards or outwards. They do flex diagonally though. They do have some good flex to it. Let's see here. Oh yeah, that bends a lot. The fabric does bend a lot. Right there. It's almost like if the fabric, if you didn't have it properly glued on or you did it hard enough, the fabric could just come straight off. Interesting. Now I'd like to also point out how the camera ring is the same color as the borders. That's the Mulberry color. Not much to say there. I really feel like it's a personal preference. Like those that want to use a FineWoven case, they're going to be 100% for it. And the people that it's just not made for, they're not going to want it at all. It's very much a personal preference. They don't look bad. They're just different. Durability, not it. Alright, the time that we have been waiting for. Drum rolls, please. Blue titanium iPhone 15 Pro with the blue, Pacific Blue it is called, as you can see right over here, Pacific Blue iPhone 15 Pro FineWoven case. So, I think this is gonna look good. Super excited for this reveal. Imagine I, break the box that I'm most excited about. That would be so sad. Oh, why is it so hard? My favorite box is so hard. My favorite color. Alright, there you go. Whew. This Pacific Blue is looking nice. It's kind of like a darker tone on my Techrific hoodie. Also, if you haven't grabbed a hoodie, make sure to go check it out, techrific.company.site, all in the description. This looks really nice, Pacific blue. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Alright, let's see it on the iPhone itself. There you go. Beautiful. That is absolutely stunning, guys. Wow. Look at that. Let me wipe the lenses. Absolutely stunning. Let me get that in the light. Oh, that looks beautiful. Look at that. It's a match made in heaven. Beautiful. Again, fabric design, open-handed, not the best, as you can tell. Durability, as you can tell on the darker colors, just as I said, it's a lot harder to see the scratches. I really love it. The side is kind of like, this is kind of like blue. You can say it's blue. And then it's kind of like a blue navy on the side, and you can really see the difference from this angle. Again, darker buttons. You can see that shine in the light. Really nice. I really love this color. I wasn't thinking of, you know, using a FineWoven case this year, but straight out of the box, I might have to. I might have to try this out for a week, see how the durability is, because it's pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. I do like it. Alright guys, that was the video. iPhone 15 Pro FineWoven cases. We got the blue one, Mulberry, Evergreen, black, and the Taupe, however you call that weird color. Anyways, I really love doing this video, the iPhone 15 Pro FineWoven cases. My personal favorite was this one right over here, the Pacific blue, which matches beautifully with the blue titanium iPhone 15 Pro. Beautiful. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What was your favorite color? And if you guys would consider purchasing a FineWoven case. The fabric seems really nice. It feels really, you know, modern and sleek. And I feel like some people are absolutely gonna love it. Some people are absolutely gonna hate it. And some people are gonna be right in the middle. And they're gonna be like, I like it, I don't like it, just like me. I love it because of how the feel is, and especially the color on the Pacific blue, but I also don't like it because I feel like the durability, especially on a prolonged period of time, is gonna degrade very quickly. So overall, I loved making this video. Lots of, you know, nice colors, lots of new, you know, peaks of Apple's newest accessories. Anyways, it's been Alex from Techrific. Please make sure to go check out my Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram, all at Techrific it is if you haven't already. And make sure to go get yourself some merch at techrific.company.site. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Yeah.